They're just good. Hey, Chewy. Chewy. That's a good thing. Most people like that. Most people your age really like that. Emery always likes it. Hi, sweetie. I love you. It doesn't come off though very easy. I can get that one off if I really. Hooray! Oh, we're listening to this story on CD, and there was this one line in there. They had a new baby. This one family had a new baby, and the dad said to the little boy, he said, "All babies look like Winston Churchill."
They do, huh? That's funny.
So does he look like pictures of Zach?
Sometimes. And sometimes well, we have to look back again at mine.
It's time to start telling him about, how do you say all done?
All done. Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you all done? Yeah.
Tell me, wash on his little face so that stuff doesn't stick.
Oh, I just take him to the sink. I finally just got him a plastic bin. Because he's a cleaner eater now than he was at first. But I just had so many cloth bins with just food caked on them, and they'd go through the washing knowing that we're at home. It's he feels more freedom to spend more time and not feel like, oh well, I should go be at home.
Yeah. So you like the girlfriend?
I mean, for as much as I know, yeah. I mean, we've had. I'll wait till I'm not recording.
Just
yeah, I mean, she seems nice. It's, you know, she seems nice. They seem serious. I've kind of reserved my, but this one seems like maybe they're. Oh, sweetie, don't pull the tail.
as long as I've got a hold of her face.
It's like she's.
You do such good work, Mom.
Too, so pristine. Go say hi.
Go say hi to Lee. Go say hi to Lee. Go say hi to baby Lee. Go say hi to baby Lee. Him is tearing up the newspaper.
You love Pumpa? You just love seeing her, don't you?
He needs a dog.
I know, he does. Where would we get a dog like you, Pumpa? She's funny, isn't she? Even when she's not paying attention to you.
He's laughing again.
Is this knife? Oh, is this a little...
And somebody sent it to me when I broke my leg. Actually, it was my vet. Boom! And they had it so its foot that's all taped up was in the sling. Could, when he's pooping, make him cry a little bit?
He'll get like, his little face will get red.
Yeah, I was wondering, because
Yeah.
I saw him do that once. He's not really crabby.
No. You working on something?
Because he hasn't pooped today, but he's been here.
He pooped a little bit this morning.